Hello, fitness enthusiasts. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to ALTeles, a brand that offers a fantastic range of fitness accessories designed to push your workout to the next level. From boxing resistance bands and speed balls to gyro balls, ALTeles has everything you need to amp up your gym routine. With ALTeles, you can add variety and intensity to your workouts, helping you burn more calories and build strength faster. And the best part? These gadgets are designed with user-friendly features and high-quality materials, ensuring they last for years. So why not check out ALTeles today? Their website offers a wide selection of gym equipment that will make your workout not just effective, but also enjoyable. Remember, small changes in your routine can lead to big results in your overall health and fitness journey. Happy exercising! Remember to follow us for more fitness tips and product reviews. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, stay fit and healthy.